another video. Today I'll be doing a wig review and bleaching, knots, and plucking. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Wig cap. Here's what the hairline looks like. Really soft. The parting space, you get a lot. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back. With adjustable straps, elastic band. No smell. You do get 1 or 2 strands. 13x6 highlighted ombre lace front wig, pre-plucked OT4, 3027 HD, transparent lace, 180% density, 20 inches. It is $111.43. Now I'm going to use the measuring cup that came with it and add 1 scoop of bleach and developer.
Release your eye, release your job, release the time, release the trade, release the stress, release your love.
When you're stirring the bleach and developer, stir slowly and make sure it's a thick consistency.
You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody.
As you can see, the bleach is not falling off the brush. You don't want a watery bleach because it's going to seep through the lace and go onto the hair.
I'm gonna find no dry. Damn, they work me so damn hard.
Spray any hairspray on the hairline. Use a comb, push all the hairs going back so no bleach gets on the actual hair.
I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah.
Now you want to put the wig on the mannequin inside out, pin it down.
Oh, you won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I tell everybody, everybody.
Now you want to push the hair going back in the wig cap.
Release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the trade, release the stress, release your love, forget the rest.
I'm down my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. He is back and I'm sleeping real good at night. The queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth.
Now I'm going ahead and applying the bleach on the back of the wig first because you don't want the hairline to be lighter. You want it to all be the same color.
Tell me a new foundation, yeah. Taking my new salvation. My own foundation, yeah. Oh, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 And I'm telling everybody, everybody, yeah. feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you.
I'm done bleaching the knots. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Check on it. If it still needs to be bleached, leave it on for 25 minutes to 30 minutes in the washout.
It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
This is how the bleach should look on the knots and not the hair. Use cold water when rinsing out chemicals or color.
Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on
You can use purple shampoo or blue shampoo to tone the knots, but I'm gonna use purple since I have that. Scrub it and let it sit at least for 5 minutes. As you can see, the knots look natural, like scalp. That's what you want.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire.
Section your frontal off into 3 sections. Spray the hairline with water if you're a pro. If you're not a pro and a beginner, just pluck dry. Part the hairline and then you want to pluck slow. Do not pluck in the same spot or you can create bald.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the curve, and my ta, 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 ta. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart.